In this training, we will go through multi-site management, which is one of the most amazing features in Magento. With this, you can control several different websites or stores within the same Magento admin panel. In this example, we have, for example, Coca-Cola, and this is available in two languages. We have one for United Kingdom and one for United States. At the same time, we have an Apple store, or we have three Apple websites. We have one for US, one for Sweden, and one for DK, or for Denmark. When you're making changes to your store, for example, if I go to Stores and Configuration, and we expand one of these sections, we see that we have this label at the very end, to the very right. This allows us to have different configurations on our different stores or websites. Let me show you. Let's say that I want to have the default country set to United States in my global configuration. If I change to Coca-Cola EN here, we see here that we have a checkbox which is inheriting the setting from the default config, where we see here that we have use default and the checkbox is ticked. That means that the setting is being inherited from a higher level, in this case from the default config. If I go to the US store view in my English Coca-Cola website, we will again see here that we have this checkbox ticked. And this means that we are now inheriting the setting from our website level, which is this one. But for our UK store view, we don't want to have the country set to United States. So therefore, again, as we see here, I'm now in the UK store view of the English Coca-Cola website. And I now want to remove this checkbox because we don't want to inherit the website value. And here I can then instead choose United Kingdom and then save my configuration. If I change now to this store view, the US store view in the United States Apple website, we see that we are inheriting the value from the website level, which is still United States. So if we go one level up to this website level, we see here that we are using the default value, that is still United States, and that means that we are inheriting the default country from this level. So we can leave the United States Apple site as it is. But now I want to set a Swedish country for Apple Sweden and a Danish country for the Danish Apple site. So in this case, we don't want to set the default country on the lowest level, which is this store view. We want to set it on this website level. So we always want to strive to set to change the settings on the highest level possible. So in this case, I'm going to change the default country to Sweden. And then I'm going to go to the Danish Apple site here. And again, I'm going to change this to Denmark. Or not again, but you get the point. So if we quickly review what we have done, if we go back to the default level, we see here that the default configuration or the default country is United States. If I go to the English Coca-Cola website, we see that we are still inheriting the United States value. But if I change to the UK website, to the UK store view, we see that we are using another setting, which is United Kingdom. And if I go to Apple US, we see again that we are inheriting the default value. And if I go down to the store view of Apple US, we of course see that we are also inheriting the website value. But if I go to the Swedish Apple website, we see here that we have default country set to Sweden, and we have unticked the checkbox to the right. And if I go to the Swedish store view of the Swedish Apple website, we see that we are inheriting the value from the website. And the same goes for Apple DK. Apple DK, the default country is set to Denmark, and the store view setting is inheriting the value from the website. And this is how you are supposed to work with your stores in Magento Admin if you have a multi-site setup. Thank you for watching, and I hope that I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!